In this video, we'll walk through how to use AI chat to get quick answers to your research questions. AI chat is one of the most powerful features in Strella. You'll find it in the top navigation bar of every project page. When you click the AI chat tab, it brings up a chat-like interface similar to ChatGPT, where you can ask any question about your research project and instantly generate insights or custom reports. AI chat has two modes: find insights and create a report. In this video, we'll be focusing on Find Insights. In this mode, when you ask a question, AI chat will search across all participant responses in your project to pull out relevant insights. When an insight is tied to a participant quote, you'll see a circular icon with their initials. Click on the icon to view the exact quote, and if you'd like to see the full context, you can click on the text to be taken directly to the participant session. If you'd like to save an insight for future access and sharing, you can click Save Insight at the bottom of the AI chat response. When you click View Insight, you'll see a highlight reel with all of the participants' responses to that question, with AI-generated summary notes on the right and the chat answer below. You can then share or download this highlight reel.
I usually order through an app for convenience.
To continue chatting with your research project, you can return to the AI chat session here. Now, I'm going to ask about the overall user experience. And here again, we can see the participant quotes tied to this response. Another powerful feature of AI chat is the ability to chat across multiple projects. Click the project selector here and choose the projects you want AI chat to search across. When you enter a question now, AI chat will look across all selected projects when pulling insights, giving you a comprehensive view across your research studies. Here is a quick breakdown of the differences between two usability studies that I ran a month apart. And that's a brief overview of how to use the AI chat to find insights. To learn about how to create custom reports with AI chat, check out our reports tutorial.